Ever wish you could edit your app's UI as easily as dragging boxes in Figma? Now you can, with Visual Edits by Lovable. We just launched one of our most powerful updates yet, a full visual editor that lets you tweak and polish your app in real time, without touching code. No more CSS guessing games, rebuilds, or waiting for AI to regenerate your UI. Just click, change, and instantly see your edits reflected in your live app, while Lovable keeps your code clean and production ready under the hood. From startup founders to designers and developers, anyone can now make precise, beautiful UI changes, faster and smarter than ever. This is how modern apps should be built. Start using visual edits today at Lovable. Build like a developer. Design like a pro,